Good morning, Ken here from Ultralight, and today I'm going to unveil some new parts. Normally I would wear my tie-dyed shirt, but it's kind of raining and cold out there. It's not tie-dyed shirt weather for me. It's got to be kind of nice and warm and sunny and happy feeling. So anyways, we have some new parts here and we're going to unveil them. Oh, wow, here we go. Okay, so we have some new Locline parts. We have 3 Locline parts. 2 Locline parts actually, and 1 that mounts everything together. So we have what we call the LL-YS. This mount will come with, it's a 1/2 inch Locline part, plastic piece attached to it, and you can attach it to a 3/4 Locline using an adapter. We do have the adapters, or you can just snap it on to a 1/2 inch if you have it. So the YS mount would be either for like a strobe, like a CNC strobe that has the YS mount, that slot here, or there are many lights nowadays that have the YS mount. So you can mount your light to this, you could have it on your length of Locline, move it around, and you're all set. This is pretty cool, all aluminum, just like we do everything else. Nothing to break, like the plastic parts that are out there. So, okay, what's next? Next, we have what we call the LL-BS, and that's for base adapter, not something else. Anyways, so this comes with a long bolt, a little shorter bolt, and some washers. And the way that you would use this is you can either drop the bolt all the way through the mount. You can use the washer and the nut to attach it to a tray with a hole in it, or if you use it in conjunction with our LL-BA, you can use the shorter bolt with the lock washer and flat washer in there. You can drop it through there and tighten it directly to that with a threaded hole, or to a tray with a threaded hole. And the reason I'm holding up this Ultralight tray is because this LL-BA will slide on to the Ultralight tray in place of the plastic mount that they were making for them. So you can slide it on there, tighten it up. If you have that attached to it, this is 3/4 Locline. You can attach your Locline and, you know, have your lights or whatever. The other nice thing about this mount is it doesn't not only fit this tray, it'll also fit our BATP. The BATP is used to mount on handles a lot of times in conjunction with the BATG, but this actually now will slide right onto here. You can tighten it down and you're all set. So there are more uses for this than just the Locline parts. Because it has that 1/4 20 thread on there, you could attach anything to this mount that has a 1/4 20 thread if you have something, and then you can just twist and slide it right off real easily. So that is now our LL-YS, the LL-BS, and the LL-BA. If you have any questions on these parts or anything else that we have here at Ultralight, please feel free to give us a call. We're always happy to help. And other than that, happy underwater, happy diving, and have a great day.